don't know how to film while you're there.
No, you do your thing, don't worry. Make the bang out of you.
How? Hello.
I'm just not there.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel if you're new. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Vivian, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. For all those girls with natural hair and you definitely want to do a silk back or do a silk back with a ponytail in your hair, this is the right video for you. Don't forget to subscribe, and every product that I've used in this video, I'm going to link it down below. And yeah, let's get into the video. So as you guys can see, my hair is definitely in a bun and it's very thick. For all those girls with 4C and 4B natural hair, it's very hard for us to do a silk back or a ponytail to add a ponytail into our hair. So what I'm going to do with my hair right now, I'm going to blow dry it and straighten it a little bit, just to calm it down and so that the ponytail fits on my head. So in this video, I'm going to do a voiceover. At least that's going to be the most part of it. I start off parting my hair into two sections, and this is done, not that you have to do it, but it's easier that way when you divide your hair into two sections. I then tie off one side because I don't want it getting in the way of the other side. I wet my hair, and that's to detangle it. That's easier for me. Like when my hair is wet, I easily take care of it. I use some almond oil on my hair before I blow dry it. This is to prepare my hair for the heat. So for the next step, I'm now going to blow dry my hair at very low heat using this blow dryer. So the main reason why I use low heat is to prevent heat damage, but at the same time I definitely do want my hair stretched out a little bit for this style because it's easier that way. I blow dry both sides.
Losing time, I'm fading fast.
I then go in again with the rat tail comb to define my middle part just a little bit more because I prefer the middle part. So if you have thick hair, you have to brush your hair back to the side and hold it with some pins, because while doing this style, your hair will keep bouncing out. Try to hold it with some pins on each side and tie it back, because we are majorly concentrating on the front and on the side. Tie away all the other hair, and yeah. So I then go in with my eco gel using the brush I previously used. I go in with the eco gel. I use it majorly on the sides and try to brush it while pressing it down further to feed it into the hair. To some hair types, using gel can be the only way they can do their silk bun, but to me, I definitely have to go in with the got to be glue free spray because the gel is never enough for me. I comb it in just to tuck away any flyovers or any other hairs that might be flying over, because the glue doesn't completely hold down my hair. And as you can see, I'm combing it in, and I go in with a silk scarf to tie away my hair just to hold it down for some time. I then braid my hair just to make it easier to insert my ponytail, just because my hair is thick and it will be easier that way. This step is not necessary, but I was running out of time and I just wanted to do it quicker, so I just added a little bit of heat on top of my scarf to make the hair dry.
Losing time, I'm fading fast.
So I got my ponytail from a black beauty shop and I matched it with my hair. That's the most important thing. The ponytail should definitely match your hair color. The reason why I like doing my edges is a little bit different from how I used to do them, and just to add more aesthetic to the look, I curl my edges with the straightener just to give it a little bit of more a vibrant look. I then go in with my got to be glue and I try to lay the sides of the edges, but because I knew I was going to bed, I really didn't fully lay them down properly. So guys, this is how the hair turned out. I really like it. I really love how I've laid the hair. And just to head into the future, I just want to make the video a little bit more entertaining, just to show you the outfit and the makeup that I'm going to do for Christmas. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you love this video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down. It depends on however you are feeling, but let's head into the future with the makeup, with everything, just to see how everything turned out. This is the future me. Thank you guys for watching, and this is the final look, and I'm really excited on how this look has definitely turned out. I'm so excited to style more looks like this. The ponytail has really definitely stuck, and being that my natural hair is so difficult to definitely add the or install ponytails, so I'm so glad I shared this. If it helps anyone, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down, however you are feeling. But yeah, this is definitely the final look of it.
Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming.
So let me show you guys the outfit of what I'm putting on. It's just like an extra bit I'm putting in here. I'm so glad to style this. I'm definitely, why do I keep saying definitely? I'm holding this little purse for just, it doesn't even have a purpose. It's just to add onto the style. Yeah, that's it. And heels, of course. Yeah, so I didn't have any modest outfits for Christmas with my family, but I think this is modest enough. I didn't have any. All my dresses are very short and I could not dress them up with my family, like, so yeah. So I decided to just plug on some pants and this top, and if you haven't watched my previous haul, this top was in there. Yeah, and don't forget to watch that video just in case you're interested. But yeah, this is it. I'm really glad and excited to style this. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs down or a thumbs up, It depends on however you are feeling. And I love you guys so much. Peace out.